Hello everyone and welcome back. I am Chris again, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing from Lacquer, which is a new brand that just launched last weekend, and they're owned by Dominique of Simply Cuticle. And if you don't follow her, you absolutely should. She's a lovely artist, and these are super lovely nail polishes, and I'm really excited to get into them. Will you open it for me? Okay. Now, we could pause because I need, what are they called? Tips to swatch these on. Thank you. Ooh, look at that. How fun. Alright, let's get them all out of here. Get the box out the way. So, I'm very excited for this. I got these because since they launched just last week, they did a giveaway for, for being a brand new brand. And I won the giveaway. Alright, so there's 6 of these polishes from Lacquer, and they are super beautiful. It's called the Celestial Wonders collection, and I'm going to go ahead and swatch them. I'm going to start with Luminosity, which is this lovely beige with the gold flecks. If you recall me saying I was a shaky person, you can probably see it very clearly in this shot. So here's one coat of Luminosity. It's pretty. It's got gold sparkles in it, and it's pretty much dry. So let's go ahead and do a second coat, see how that looks. They're very smooth. These tips are also huge. They take so much polish. But yeah, they're very smooth, they're very pretty. And there is that. Luminosity 2 coats. No top coat. Yet. We'll get there. Next up is Titan. orange holographic sparkly wonderful looking thing. Let's swatch it. Do a little Sam squanch. I believe it's a jelly as well, so it's gonna be like kind of clear. Ooh, look at that. That's really pretty. Look at that, it's super cool in just one coat. It's like a reddish glitter almost. Like space tomatoes. Fuck yeah. I love that. Look at that. That's super pretty. Oh, these would make really cool like jelly watermelon nails. Let's go in for a second coat. Oh, very nice. Really glides down with itself. It's absolutely lovely. It's like it's sparkly and orange, and wow, I really like it. I bet you could get it more opaque with more coats, or if you put like a white or an orange underneath it, but look at that, it's beautiful. Next we're gonna do Galactica. This is the one I was really excited for. It's this purple holographic sparkly one. They all have beautiful sparkles in them. I love them sparkles. So let's see it with one coat. Ooh. And this one's also kind of like a jelly. So it's gonna be like a little bit clear, and I think it'll be really cool over like a dark base as well. It's gorgeous on its own as well. Look at that. It's so cool. It's so spacey. You did a wonderful job. You did a wonderful job capturing the spaciness in this, Dominique. Like, bravo. Absolutely wonderful. Let's do a second coat on this bad boy. Ooh. Gosh, this is so beautiful and perfect. I love this. Look at that. Like the holographic sparkle really it really jumps out without being like overwhelming. Like it's definitely there. You can definitely see it, but it's not like stealing the show from the purple or anything. It's super pretty. Look at that. Golly gee, look at that. We're gonna go ahead and go over to the next one. This is Blue And this one is so pretty. It's like a deep teal. Oh. Oh wow. Get the shimmer. Oh my goodness. It's so pretty, especially on the clear like tip. This is super pretty. It's like, I feel like my parents had a lot of furniture that was similar to this color in the 90s, and I really like it. I love it. I think it's a beautiful like bluish green, and then the shimmer tint is like, I think it's awesome. Bit of a streaky first coat, but check it out. Very pretty like shimmer. Ooh, I doubt it would pick up on camera, but like from the side with the ring light coming at it, it looks like multi-dimensional. It's pretty cool. I like it a lot. It's really cool. So let's do a second coat on this and see it. And this is like it's a little tacky, but this is ready for a second coat. And they don't really smell at all either, right? I believe these are 10 free and vegan and cruelty free. I know for sure about that. I'm pretty sure they're 10 free, and they smell, I don't smell anything. They smell nice. Well, I don't smell anything. They don't have like that nail polish smell. They are olfactory friendly. Ooh, look at that. So now we have 2 coats of Blue Moon, and I think it's super stunning. It picked up, it like the color became a lot more intense on the second coat. I think it's super stunning. It picked up, it like the color became a lot more intense on the second. Very pretty, but a bit clear, and it picked up. It looks it's opaque on the second coat. So next is Cosmic Jade. This is a lovely green color with some shimmers in it. I see gold shimmers, blue shimmers. Oh, this is gonna be awesome.
Our couch was this color.
Your couch? Husband says his couch was this color growing up. Love the furniture vibes from these. Like this, honestly, I love it. I love like these dark jewel tones. I think they're great. These are super like gorgeous. Oh wow. This is awesome. This is very Miami. This is a nice Miami swampy green. Look at that. Oh, it's so beautiful. So there's 1 coat of Cosmic Jade. and I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. You can see all the shimmers in it. These polishes are really pretty. They have a lot of depth. Like, looking at them on the tip, like I just said, that it looks like there's multiple dimensions hidden in there, and they're beautiful. Let's do a second coat. Ooh, this one picked up the color again. All of them have been like a little sheer on the first coat, obviously, because some of them were jellies, but all of them pretty much have been like opaque on the second coat. And they don't look like weird or streaky or anything like that. They're nice, and they apply really smoothly as well. Oh, see my dang old handshake there? But look at that. This is another. This is gorgeous. I love green. Green doesn't get enough love. I love green. I love this green. I don't have anything better to say. It's really pretty.
I love lamp.
I love lamp. Okay, and the final one is the lovely Interstellar. This one is a super gorgeous black, I believe it's also a jelly, with holographic sparkles and lots of shimmer. Look at that. I'm sure it looks lovely on camera. So we go ahead and go in with the first coat. I like jelly polishes. I don't have enough of them, so this is a really lovely, fun addition to my little collection. Yes. Ooh. This is going to be really awesome for Halloween. I am already imagining spider webs over this, because fucking look at this. Heckin' look at this. This is super gorgeous. Can you see it off? Can you see the sparkles? Oh, I meant you personally.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, look at that. It's super pretty. One coat. It's that lovely sheer black that people are always like mixing clear and black to get a nice sheer look. Like, this is, it's perfect. The one coat of this is awesome. And again, super dimensional. Like, this straight up looks like a little galaxy, and I absolutely love it. And we're gonna go in with a second coat. The weird thing about long tips is that sometimes you have to, like, this is technically still the second coat, but I've had to dip the brush like 4 times because this nail is very long. But look at that! Second coat! And it's pretty much, like, it's still a little bit sheer, but I mean, it's on a clear tip. This is absolutely stunning. This is super gorgeous. Look at that. You can see all the holographic sparkles in there and the sheer jelliness of it. Oh god, it's really pretty. So here's the full final collection. We have Luminosity, Titan, Galactica, Blue Moon, Cosmic Jade, and Interstellar. And they are all super beautiful. I think they're absolutely gorgeous. They're smooth and really easy to work with. The brush is really nice, and they're absolutely gorgeous. Like, you did a wonderful job with these, Dominique. And congratulations, and thanks again to Lacquer for hosting this lovely giveaway. If you haven't checked them out, already, please go do so. This is a lovely, lovely brand, lovely colors, lovely poly. Thank you to you if you sat through this whole video. Please consider giving it a like, maybe leave me a comment, maybe subscribing if you feel up to it. And we will see you next time. Bye!